Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKTO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this one multiple times now. If you go back and look through the video archives, you can see all the times I've done it. And all these lines you see here were from previous videos that I've done, so I'm not going to go over where they come from too much in depth. But I did want to get an update up here. I had a bunch of questions come in. The video is going to be pretty short just because there's really not too much to update other than just kind of what's been going on within all these lines that you see. So what I want to really point out, and hopefully the lines don't get too confusing, is basically the chart's in a channel right now. It's consolidating. I don't want to say it's neutral because technically the edge still has to go to the bull since the overall context is bullish. And I say that because when we look down here at these two overall longer term moving averages of 50-day and 200-day, you can see that they have upward slopes to them. So therefore the overall bullish context, or the overall context is bullish, excuse me. Now that's not a guarantee that the price is going to shoot up to 20 cents, but for the current time being, this is a bullish kind of grander scheme picture right now. In terms of the consolidation and channel, you can see here that the price is basically fluctuating through a couple areas of price, and that's where I want to talk about. The first area you can see is this tight range right here, and that comes from this green line support level up to this level of support. Basically, back in this section, you can see for basically a week, just back and forth right into this range, and this is between 0.039 at the bottom, so the support level of the range, and then the top is at 0.05. Now on the broader scale, so if we extend this range, extend the channel out a little bit, now we have this lower portion of the channel, which down here at 0.03, and then the higher portion of the channel up here, and that's at 0.06, so that would be the resistance portion. So right now the key channel, an area that the price seems to be trapped in, is this area right here, where it's just been going back and forth, back and forth. So the overall channel called 0.03 up to 0.06, and then that tighter channel basically 0.04 up to 0.05. So this is the little tighter channel. Actually, I'll do that, change the color. So this little tighter channel here is then that other trading channel. Then the overall one, meaning if it were to break to the downside, the next key level of support is at 0.02, and then if it were to break upside out of the channel of this resistance, the next level is not until up there at 0.08. So then the overall grand channel right now, pick another color for that, is this one and this section. So basically three channels going on, one pretty tight, and then you get a kind of medium range one, and then this is the overall consolidation channel right now that the price is in. So other than that, it's just kind of a grab your popcorn and see what happens with the chart going forward, see which way the price breaks out of these channels that it's currently kind of taking shape in. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was SKTO. Thanks for listening.